A pair of Sony headphones, model number WH-CH720N. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV. So first thing is, let's just go ahead and put these headphones in a pairing mode. On the left ear here, you only have one button. It's a power button, okay? So let's turn these on. Press and hold the power button for a couple seconds till the light turns on, and then let go. And then what we want is, we want it in a blue pulsating, blue. I'm getting like a rapid blue there, and it also said it's connected to a different device, okay? So I need this to be in pairing mode, but it's connected to a different device. I need the, again, blue, okay? So now I know it's connected to a different device. Yours may already be in pairing mode. It may be blinking blue, but mine is not. So let me turn mine off first. Let me press and hold for a few seconds. Okay, now it's turning off, and then I should have heard the turn off chime. Now let me turn it on, and I'm going to hold the button this time, okay? For me, I'm going to press and hold. Ready to go. I'm going to press and hold so I can get it into pairing mode for myself, okay? So now it said it's in pairing, okay? And I know it's in pairing because it's blinking blue, okay? Now, while this is in pairing mode, let's go to the TV here. And on my Samsung model here, if I click on the home button, this pops up here. I want to go all the way to the left, the 3 horizontal lines, left. Now it changes to the gear icon, the settings icon. Right there, settings, click on OK. I want to go down one to sound. Then I want to move over to the right. Sound output is currently going to the TV speaker, but we wanted to come out of here. So I'm going to click on sound output there, and then we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list right there. And let me make sure that these are still in the pairing mode. It's still blinking twice. Blue. Okay, so let me go to speaker, Bluetooth speaker list. And now it's going to be searching for any available devices. And wow, it already found it. The 720N needs pairing right there. So let me click on that. Pair and connect right there. Oh, and I just heard the chime here, and it looks like we are connected. Now, here's the thing. If you guys still have issues where you can't, connection problems or whatnot, you can always factory reset these as well, okay? Look in the link below. I'll show you how to factory reset these. Good luck, guys.